are dog shit, bro. Like, you cannot tell me these cars are... Chad, you cannot tell me these cars are not dog, bro. These cars are complete dog shit, bro. Like, literally, dude. Like, bro, they're so low. Like, 79 overall? Oh my god. 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 Yes! Yes! Van Dijk! Dang! Nah, Chad, like, these packs are, like, really trash, bro. Like, they're not good. Why? Like, I don't see no 90s, no none of that. Bro, no way, bro, I pulled the same person. No way. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up! Benjamin! Benjamin! Benjamin Franklin! Oh, oh! Benjamin Franklin! Benny, Benny, Benny! Benny, 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 Benny! Benny, Benny! Okay, first good one, first good one, first good one. First good one, one more, one more, one more. First good one, first good one, first good one. First good one. Come on, bro. Five stars again? Who could it be? It's a goalkeeper. Who is that? Ter Stegen, bro. Oh my gosh, bro.